How to trade futures on Plus500. Follow the instructions. Visit the Plus500 website and sign up for a trading account using your personal information. Complete the identity verification process by uploading the required documents. Deposit funds into your account using a preferred payment method. Explore the trading platform to understand how it works and where everything is located. Search for the futures contract you want to trade, such as commodities, indices, or crypto. Click on the contract to view its details, including leverage, expiry, and margin. Decide whether to buy or sell based on your market expectations. Enter the amount you want to trade and set optional stop loss or take profit levels. Confirm and place the trade through the platform. Monitor your open trade and close it when you are ready to take profit or cut losses. Thank you for watching.